this is Caitlin. This is Brianna. That's Hannah. This is Luna. This is Sparkles. And this is Toby. And we're going to show you all of the snow today because we got a big snowstorm. And it looks like there's a lot out there. So we're going to show you. We're almost ready to go outside. And I am currently just wearing like these rain boots right now because my snow boots, like horseback riding boots, are extremely wet. Yeah, I know. So, oh, look at the doggies. Where's the other doggies?
Oh no. It's like it's raining snow.
Oh, are you cold? It's like really picking up the wind out here.
I can't see.
Oh no! Oh no! I can't see, so I don't know what I'm filming.
Go backwards. It blocks the way.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he's crazy.
You wanna go really fast? Oh yeah! Woo! Ah, this is deep! This is so deep! This is so deep, guys! What on earth? Look! Look at that! That's crazy, Tommy! I didn't put snow pants on. Okay, let's try to go. We live in Alaska, guys. Actually, we live in Colorado, but this is crazy. Let's go really fast. Oh, this is so deep. Good. Good job. It's way deeper than it looks on camera. I am so freezing now. And I am so smart for not wearing any snow pants. Hi, Jigga Jigga Jigga. I'm smart. You are. Hi, guys. What do you think? Patty. She's one of my favorites. She's a buff bralette. I love her. Let's find the boys. So, it is literally freezing out here. So, I'm going back in here. And, so last night, Antonio and Cookie, two of our roosters, they were fighting. And so they were all bloody and everything. So we took them inside because they're freezing out. We didn't want something bad happening to them because it's so freezing. But they were doing better this morning, so we took them back outside. But I just had to check on them because to make sure they're still doing good. And it is so cold. So that is our snow video. It was very short, but I am literally freezing. And that is so much more snow than I thought it was. You can't really tell. So, we may make a video later, but hope you guys are all having a great day. And we will see you soon.